Students, today I am going to discuss the topic multiplying a decimal by a whole number. So let us discuss some questions based on it given in the exercise 5.10. Look at the first question. Put the decimal point at the correct place in the given product. See the first example. Here the decimal number 0.2 is multiplied by a whole number 8 and the product is given 16. We are asked to put the decimal point at the correct place in this given product. Now, we always put the decimal point in the product counting from the right so that decimal places in the product is same as decimal places in the decimal number. Now, let us count the decimal places given in the decimal number. Now, this decimal number have one decimal place, right? It means product will also have one decimal place. So, the point will come here and your product will be 1.6. Coming to the second example, here decimal number 0.03 is multiplied by a whole number 9. The product is given 27. Now, where to put the decimal point in the given product? Let us count the decimal places first given in the decimal number. Here the decimal number have two decimal places. So product will also have two decimal places. Hence the decimal point will come here. So product will be 0.27. Now coming to the third example. Here decimal number have again two decimal places. So product will also have two decimal places. So decimal point will come here. So answer will be 3.15. Now the next one. In this example decimal number have one decimal place. Therefore product will also have one decimal place. Hence point will come here. Hence the product will be 65.0, which is same as 65. Now the next one. Here decimal number have two decimal places. So product will also have two decimal places. Therefore point will come here. Hence the answer will be 0.64. And now the last one. Here the decimal number have only one decimal place. So product will also have one decimal place. So point will come here. Hence the answer will be 10.5. Now coming to the question number B. Find the product. Look at the first example. Here the decimal number 0.2 is multiplied by a whole number 1. And we are asked to find out the product. We multiply the decimal by a whole number as we would multiply the whole numbers. So here we multiply only 2 and 1. Now 2 ones are 2. Now to put the decimal point in the product, let us count the number of decimal places given in the decimal number. Here the decimal number have one decimal place. So product will also have one decimal place. Hence we put the decimal point in the product counting from the right so that decimal places in the product is same as decimal places in the decimal number. Hence the point will come here. Hence the product is 0.2. Now multiply 0.2 and 3. Again 0.2 is the decimal number and 3 is the whole number. We multiply the decimal and whole number as we would multiply the whole number only. So here we are going to multiply only 2 and 3. Now 2 3s are 6. Now decimal number have only one decimal place. So product will also have one decimal place. Hence the correct answer is 0.6. Now the next one. 0.11 multiplied by 3. Now 11 3s are 33. Now here the decimal number is having two decimal places. Therefore product will also have two decimal places. Therefore counting from the right, I am going to put the decimal point here. Hence the correct answer is 0.33. Now the next one. 10 into 0.5. Let us multiply 10 and 5 only. 10 5s are 50. Now decimal number have one decimal place. So product will also have one decimal place. So counting from the right, I am going to put the decimal point here. So the answer is 5.0, which is same as 5. Now let's see some more example. Multiply 33 and 0.01. Here we multiply only 33 and 1. Now 33 ones are 33. Now let us count the number of decimal places given in the decimal number. Here the decimal number have 2 decimal places, right? So product will also have 2 decimal places. So counting from the right, I am going to put the decimal point here. So the product is 0.33. And now the last one. Multiply 0.22 and 2. Instead of multiplying 0.22 and 2, we only multiply 22 by 2. Now 22 2s are 44. Here the decimal number have 2 decimal places. So product will again have 2 decimal places. So I am going to put the decimal point here after the 2 places from the right. Hence your product will be 0.44. So likewise you can multiply a decimal by a whole number